Item. SCP-1124. Object Class. Keter. Special Containment Procedures. All samples delivered are in containment. The distance from Earth and the conditions on the planet itself render any breach of containment of active instances of SCP-1124 unlikely. These entities have been observed to be exclusively terrestrial. A repeat of the lander incident at Air Force Base is unlikely, as no more than one lander and shuttle was stationed at Ileana at the time of the outbreak. Research drones have revealed that the since missing shuttle is currently eroding on the planet's surface. Samples of SCP-1124 have been transferred to Warehouse Compound 1124 ZA as per recommendation by Dr. Researcher Sanders, Dr. Herman, and Dr. Smith have been given special clearance to access the samples at their own discretion, with the conditions that update logs and proof of inactivity or reactivation are immediately placed on record. Indefinite surveillance of these researchers is enacted as a precaution. With the exception to the Ileana incident, no instances of SCP-1124 have been activated save for SCP-1124-C. The housing compound is located 70 kilometers underground outside of site, and is equipped with a fail-safe nuclear device should emergency protocol fail. Individual instances of SCP-1124 are encased in airtight, soundproof, heatproof, 1 meter x 1 meter x 1 meter steel blast safes. Isolated instances of SCP-1124 are kept individually in steel stores with equipped motion and heat sensing equipment. No more than one instance of SCP-1124 is to be tested at any given time. Testing is to be done with approval from each of the three aforementioned personnel, Site Director, and O5 Directorate approval. It is recommended drones instead be sent to Ileana for research. Should defensive systems within the testing chambers fail, the chamber is to be immediately sealed, filled with triflic acid, and incinerated. Any researchers present inside of the testing chamber are to remain there during the termination protocol. Efforts are being taken to destroy SCP-1124-C before it matures, although with current results this seems unlikely. The progeny itself is contained in a 3 meter x 3 meters x 3 meters containment unit with acid-proof titanium sheeting. The container should be completely submerged and recycled with triflic acid at all times. The unit itself is to be lined monthly with extra titanium sheeting to replace dissolved or destroyed sheeting. This maintenance process should be completed within a span of 40 minutes. Description: SCP-1124 are metallic objects found near Research Base Ileana on. The first instances of SCP-1124 were recovered from canisters underneath data expunged mountain range. Entities contained by the canisters have the appearance of cephalopods, weighing exactly 1.0268 kilograms. Instances of SCP-1124 are impervious to heat and pressure. Each is otherwise non-responsive to external stimuli save for physical contact with biological matter, which will cause instances of SCP-1124 to activate and data expunged. Reaction to biological matter originating from a sapient creature tends to elicit a more violent response. Though observations are performed daily through a viewing window in Tank 1124-C by monitoring cameras, a definite shape cannot be substantiated. The most recent appearance appears similar to a larval grub. SCP-1124-C is in all instances metallic in appearance. The entity frequently gnaws and consumes the casing in its containment unit, although the amount of damage taken is acceptable due to the density and thinness of the film used to line the chamber. Further research into containment is deemed necessary as the creature has been shown to grow in minor increments when more material is consumed. A tear located in researcher's bodysuit during transfer allowed data expunged. Activating 1. Instance of SCP-1124. Security cameras show the entity quickly gnawing itself out from the inside of its alloy casing and then launching itself into the mouth of one researcher. This method of mobility is believed to be a spring-like motion using its appendages, but this is still unconfirmed. Following containment procedures, researcher sealed himself inside Unit 1124C and activated the failsafe mechanism, effectively containing SCP-1124C.